Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the proven powerful health benefits of turmeric you don't know about. Turmeric owes its preventive and curative skills to its active ingredient, curcumin, a compound so diverse and powerfully rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory actions that it has been shown to protect and improve the health of virtually every organ in the body. To date, thousands of animal and human studies from around the world have found that curcumin can combat more than 70 maladies, including some of the biggest health threats, such as cancer, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. And the list just keeps on growing. Below are some of the. Number 1. The anti-cancer spice. Curcumin is anti-cancer. Research demonstrates that the curcumin found in turmeric can fight cancer on many levels. It can inhibit the activation of genes that trigger cancer, inhibit the spread, proliferation, of tumor cells, inhibit the transformation of a normal cell into a cancer cell, kill cells that mutate into cancer, shrink tumor cells. Number 2. Turmeric may help prevent and treat acne, allergies, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, osteo and rheumatoid, asthma, blemishes, cancer, cholesterol problems, high bad LDL cholesterol, low good HDL cholesterol, colitis, inflammatory bowel disease, cystic fibrosis, depression, dermatitis, contact, diabetes type 2, eczema, atopic dermatitis, eye infection, uveitis, flatulence, gallbladder disease, gout, gum disease, heart disease, etc. Number 3. Breast cancer. Some of curcumin's most remarkable results have been against breast cancer, and it is showing promise against even the most drug-resistant forms of the disease. For colon cancer. Numerous animal studies have found that curcumin can help prevent and delay the onset of colon cancer, and human studies are beginning to show the same result. Number 5. Cervical cancer. Curcumin has been found to kill human papillomavirus, the leading cause of cervical cancer. It has also been found to fight the precancerous cellular changes that often precede the disease. Number 6. Lung cancer. Studies have found that curcumin may protect against tobacco-induced lung cancer. In one study, 16 smokers took 1,500 milligrams of curcumin a day. After 30 days, urine samples showed they had excreted significantly more tobacco-related toxins than 6 other smokers who didn't take curcumin. Number 7. Pancreatic cancer. Both human and animal studies have found curcumin holds promise in fighting pancreatic cancer, a particularly lethal form of the disease that doesn't respond well to chemotherapy drugs. Show the same results. Number 8. Guardian of the liver. Curcumin keep the liver healthy, and it does so in 2 ways. By promoting the production of enzymes that detoxify the liver, and by promoting flow of bile that cleanses the liver and rejuvenates its cells. Number 9. Curcumin has the ability to help lower triglycerides, another artery-clogging blood fat, block the production of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to higher rates of heart disease and stroke, regulate blood pressure, reduce damage from a heart attack. Number 10. Help for problem skin. Turmeric is the secret to smooth and radiant skin. It is a tradition in India for brides and grooms to apply turmeric mixed in milk to their skin before the marriage ceremony to enhance their skin's vibrancy. Indian women use a paste made with turmeric as a daily mask to prevent blemishes and wrinkles. And in India and many other parts of the world, turmeric is a common ingredient in cosmetics. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and video on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.